When I first purchased my beautiful Porsche 911, I told myself I would keep it absolutely stock. That only lasted a week. Then I started looking into upgrading it, and I was shocked to learn how much of a premium upgrading a Porsche carries compared, let's say, to a BMW M car. And while you still have to rely on your local and trusted vendors to get your, let's say, suspension, some of the big ticket items, some of the easy to install items can be found on Amazon for a lot less. And today I'm going to highlight a few of them. You see how nicely my wheels sit flush with the fender? It's because I installed wheel spacers. Very affordable on Amazon and super high quality. OEM quality LED side markers. Since I have 2 baby seats in the car, I like to remind the world that the kids are actually having a lot of fun. Yep, you can get this on Amazon. A set of proper Porsche jack pads is a must if you don't want to damage the undercarriage. The next one's going to be a little geeky, but hear me out. I installed this silicone license plate cover, which matches nearly perfectly to my vehicle. It also matches the license plate. You can get it in many different colors, which will hopefully match your vehicle. But what I like about it is that, 1, it matches my vehicle. 2, it will not rattle. 3, it will not scratch anything that's underneath this plate. And it looks kind of cool. It comes with everything that you need, all the hardware and whatnot. And a simple thing, such as these vent holes, allow you to drain any water that can accumulate underneath. So this is a must in my book. You can pay a very high Porsche premium for this color-matched key cover, or you can pay a lot less on Amazon, similar to this Porsche crest. Every new Porsche comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but in my case, check this out. It is wireless. Why? Because I got this dongle. Essentially, this is a device that connects to where your Apple CarPlay wire would connect, and this converts your wired connection to a simple and easy to use wireless connection. You just get in the car, keep your phone in your pocket, and your Apple CarPlay pops up wirelessly on your screen. To clean and protect the leather in my Porsche, I use OEM Porsche products, both the cleaner and the conditioner, both which can be found on Amazon. And since I'm all about DIYs, I got myself one of these scanners, which can do all kinds of things for your Porsche, such as resetting the service light, resetting the oil light. If for whatever reason you trigger your airbag light, you can reset that as well. If your Porsche sits still for long periods of time, the chances are the battery will drain and you won't be able to start it. So it's better that you maintain it. You can get a Porsche maintainer for about $220, or for less than half, you can get the same device, just not branded with a Porsche logo. And the way it works is you plug it into your outlet. You can either plug it directly to the battery, or you can get one of these adapters and plug it into your cigarette lighter. And this is how you can maintain your battery for long periods of time. And while this last item is not necessarily found on Amazon, you can get a lot of similar products. I can actually list them for you as well. I want to turn your attention to this awesome BlendMount, which is a mount for my radar detector. Not only does it look very much OEM, it puts my radar detector within eyesight and then within reach if I want to mute something or whatnot. It doesn't wiggle, doesn't move. Again, it looks very, very OEM. It's made out of very proper and solid materials. I highly, highly recommend it. And I do have a 12% discount code for those of you who are interested. So that was it. I hope this at least gives you a glimpse of some of the products you can get on Amazon for a very, very good price. You can get them right now. Every product that I featured, I'm going to list down in the description of this video. I'm also curious to see if you have any Porsche specific products that you can get on Amazon. Share them with me down in the comments section. If you have any questions or comments, also ask away. I'm going to address every single one of them. And I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video, I hope. Bye-bye.